Have you ever seen the sea glowing at night like it's filled with stars? Yes, it really happens, and it's one of nature's most magical shows. But why does it happen? And who is behind this wonder? Today, we're uncovering the secret of glowing plankton and bioluminescence. Let's start with a simple question. What is bioluminescence? Well, bioluminescence is the ability of some living creatures to produce light. It's like having a built-in flashlight, but without wires or electricity. This light is created through chemical reactions inside their bodies. It's as if they have a tiny chemistry lab in their tummies. Scientists have found that bioluminescence works thanks to two key ingredients: a protein called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase. When luciferin mixes with oxygen, with the help of luciferase, it produces a glowing light. Isn't that amazing? Now, back to the sea. At night, especially in certain parts of the world, the sea can light up when it's stirred by waves, boats, or even swimmers. This happens thanks to tiny organisms living in the water that can emit light. One of the most famous is phytoplankton. So what is phytoplankton? Imagine tiny plants floating in the water. They're so small you can't see them with your eyes, but they're everywhere in the ocean. Some of these glowing plants emit a bluish-green light when they're disturbed, so when a wave moves them, they light up, creating the sparkling effect we see at night. But why do they glow? Scientists think there are several reasons. One of the most interesting is for defense. Some types of phytoplankton use their light to confuse predators. For example, imagine a little fish trying to eat the phytoplankton. As soon as it gets close, the phytoplankton lights up, attracting bigger fish that might chase the little one away. It's a clever survival trick. But glowing plankton isn't the only bioluminescent creature in the sea. There are also jellyfish, squid, and even deep sea fish that glow in the dark ocean depths where sunlight can't reach. For them, bioluminescence is like having a built-in flashlight. They use it to lure prey, communicate, or hide from predators. Here's a fun fact. There's a fish called the anglerfish that lives thousands of meters below the surface. It has a glowing light on a sort of antenna on its head. This light attracts curious little fish, which become its dinner. What a genius strategy, right? But back to the glowing sea. Not all oceans in the world have this feature. Some places are famous for it, like the Maldives, Puerto Rico, and certain beaches in California. In these areas, the water conditions are perfect for glowing plankton to thrive. If you ever get the chance to see the sea glowing, remember not to disturb the water too much or pollute it. Even though it looks magical, these organisms are very delicate and need a clean environment to survive. So now you know the secret. The glowing sea at night is the result of bioluminescence from tiny plankton and other small creatures. It's as if nature has a switch to light up the ocean, giving us a unique show. What do you think? Isn't it incredible how nature can surprise us? Next time you're at the sea at night, look closely at the water. Who knows, maybe you'll see some sparkling blue-green light too. Thanks for listening to this glowing story. Until next time.